Howdy everybody, welcome back. It's been a long time since we've been together, not only in school, but just in term at the school building, but together doing school from home. I had to relearn everything once I got on the computer today. So don't feel bad if you feel like you're moving through mud trying to get going with everything. So I'll help you guys out a little bit. So just remember today is day 28. We can see the date up here as well, April 13th. Or April 14th for B-Day. And then we can see what we did last time. So previously we learned why it's important to be careful when people try to be your friend online and how to defend against online predators. So we learned about something that's honestly really scary, people who try to be friendly with you online, and they do that so that they can meet you in person, and that's where they're dangerous. So if that's new to you or you're totally lost with online predators, go back and just skim through the day 27 slides just to jog your memory. Help you get started for today. Okay, so we have all the other questions here, and then the random question for today is who do you think is the best sidekick? And there's a lot of sidekicks out there. A sidekick can be not only just like a person to like a superhero, but I think there's a lot of sidekicks to things. For example, French fries to hamburgers, that's a sidekick, in my opinion. There's a ton. I won't go into tons of detail, but I mean, think about it. Like, it could be other stuff. I'll give you one more example. I think Canada is the sidekick to America. They're just little America. And so I haven't thought of exactly what my favorite is, just because there's a lot of good ones. But I probably would say maybe fries to hamburgers. That's got to be one of my favorite sidekicks. So let me know what yours is. Type it into your responses. That way I can see it. And it's fun for me to feel like I'm interacting with you guys still. Okay. So then once you do that, once you do your Bellert questions, make sure you hit the day 28 slides link. It'll take you into what we're doing today, which I think today's lesson is pretty fun. I'm bummed I don't get to do it with you guys in person, just because I really like this one. But hopefully you get the same effect by doing it on the computer at home. So have an awesome day today. Hopefully the weather gets nicer. We can do something fun outside eventually. But until then, take it easy.